Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, July the 6th, July the 7th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday, and as promised, on Sunday afternoon, I will solve 4 puzzles out of 7 in the additional, and I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call the cyber block, and this one you are interested. Yes. Oh, apologies. This one, the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 8858. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the first column. So the rest are ones. Then we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish in 3 minutes exactly. Yes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.